What's going on, traders? So, weekly recap. Oof, today or yesterday, and this whole week, it's like one big blur. Um, yeah, it was a crazy week. Um, Actually, I just signed in. I think the indicators are all messed up here, but yeah, it was a wild week. I think it was overall a negative week. By the way, before I get into the weeds, if you blew up any accounts or need anything, the discounts are all in the description of the video, along with a link to our free Discord. Everything's in the description of this video right below. Um, yeah, so overall, this week wasn't terrible. My Take Profit Trader account is up. I'm almost halfway to get this funded, which is great. I've just been kind of taking quality trades with this, and yeah, I've been working it up, which is pretty good. My TopStep accounts, this one's up a little bit, but it was up. I lost $1,000 on it in Friday, so that wasn't good. And then I got this one that was almost smoked that I basically stacked on about $1,000 on. So I'm still kind of floundering around with TopStep. I really want to get funded with TopStep and take profit because the payouts come really quick, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. My Apex accounts, as you can see, I definitely lost some PA accounts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. This one's actually close to getting funded. Only about $900 left. And then that one's up a little bit. That one's down about 1,000. This one's up. What's nice about the 150s is there's no pressure because it's a one-time activation fee. So I can just kind of trade this around and I'm not pressed to get a payout within the first month because I don't have to pay any rebills. So I'm really liking that. I'm really liking the 150s if you can get it funded. Overall, obviously, you can see I'm up $400, but there's no pressure here. And then this one, I kind of took a smoking to. That's an eval. What is this? Oh, that's an eval that's got 500 left on it. And then yeah, and then also I have 2 Bull Knox accounts that are funded right now. One's up $74 and one is up $119. They're brand new this week. I just got them. And then on my Rhythmic, I actually blew all my accounts on all my funded accounts. What happened was I only had like 1 or 2 left, and I took a payout. And when I took a payout, I lost shortly after that and blew it. So with Apex, I'm actually down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have 2 bull. So I'm down to 8 funded accounts. I'll be honest with you, when I got up to like 15 or 16 funded accounts, it was too much to kind of manage. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade these. And then if I get another payout or when I get the next payout, I will get a bunch more evals. And then I'm just going to copy trade. I want to copy trade it so I'm only managing maybe 5 accounts. So each one will have like 3 accounts in it. So I can manage 15 funded accounts with only like 5 accounts. I think that's the way I'm going to go. It's just, to me, I don't know. I just felt like it was overwhelming with all these accounts. I was going back and forth. It was getting crazy. Also with Bull Knox, I'm about ready to get a 3rd funded account. I have an eval that's at 51,600. I have another eval that's at 51,000. Yeah. So I'm definitely set up to get another funded account. And honestly, you don't even need all these funded accounts. Honestly, if you have like 3 or 4 funded accounts and you just trade them correctly, that's more than enough to do a lot of damage. With 4 accounts, on Apex, you can request $2,000 of payouts at $16,000 a month. So you really don't need 20 accounts or 16 accounts, whatever it is. Um, the only reason I'm trading these other firms are I want to get funded on Take Profit Trader, and I want to get funded on TopStep. I also am going to be sprinkling in. I'm going to give it a shot. The My Funded Futures, only because they have really good payouts. So I'm going to mix that in to everything here also. Yeah. So I mean that's pretty much it. What happened was I had a really bad last week, Thursday and Friday. And then it wasn't a great Monday, but then Tuesday, Wednesday was good. But then Thursday was, it was the holiday. I really didn't trade much. And yesterday was like, I need to, just reflecting back on my trades, I really need to start waiting for the correct setups again. I kind of, because I was getting so many payouts and passing so many accounts, it became super easy. And I think it kind of caught me 2 days in a row. And I think I'm going to go back to really waiting on solid trade setups again. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I'm going to do is be more conservative, wait for the right setups. Because I took a lot of junk. Why really? Like, I should have just sat here and, like when we really dipped and we hit VWAP, like I should have smashed this right here. There were certain times in the day when, I should have really smashed. When we were up here and we came back and tested the pivot point, or when we were up here, tested the pivot point, like those are smashes. Or we're up and we travel all the way down to the 200. Freaking smash that. Like there was just too many times that I didn't take advantage of good setups, and I'm gonna start changing around a little couple things. Also, I'm gonna probably buy I'll probably buy 2, and then once it starts going up, probably bring the 1 contract to break even, and just let it ride. Let it ride for like 15, 20 points and kind of move my stops up, because too many times like I get these really good trades and I take like 5 points or 10 points. Why, like if I sat here, I mean, this is like a 35-point move. So I should just kind of move my stops up. That's kind of what I got to work on, is letting things run. But overall, things are going good. I got a bunch of accounts. I just got to build them up, and that's it. Just focus on getting that one into a payout in the next. Let's see how many trading days I got. I got 5. So I got 10 trading days. So I actually only need like $100 a day. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to make a lot of money. So $100 a day, I can request my 2K payout in that account, and that'll keep my my payout streak going and kind of build these other accounts up. Like I look at it, I sit here and it's crazy. Like I look at this, I'll take a funded account. Like, oh, this sucks. But honestly, I have 10 days, right? I have 10 trading days to take a payout. If I did $300 a day, I would be pretty close to a payout. I'd be $600 away from a payout. So if I had one or 2 days where I did really well, where I hit like $500-600, it's all doable. Even though the account looks bad, it's not bad. It's still a funded account, and I could still make it work. I mean, my drawdown is still $1,000, so I could still take a good shot or two. My stop loss is usually $250, so I have 4 shots. I'm not really worried. I'm just going to keep building this up. and try to get payouts. You know, the payout window just closed, and next one opens up Monday the 15th on Apex. So just keep it rolling. So there we go. I hope you guys had a good week, and that is my recap.